to do is we're going to install Python 3. Since we already have Homebrew installed, if you followed in the last tutorial, we installed Homebrew. If not, go and check out the first tutorial in the playlist. The way that we are going to install Python 3 is with Homebrew. So we're going to type in brew. And it's installing. We're going to press Y to confirm. It's installing the dependencies. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to install UV, which is a Python package manager like pip. Alright, cool. So yeah, everything that I thought, I just want to check that right quick. So yeah, because I saw that there were some things that I don't have installed, like tkinter, and so that's fine for now. What I'm going to do is now check the version. Alright, that's great. Python version 3.9 and pip 21.2. So one thing that I do notice is that it's Python 3.9 that's currently showing. So I'm gonna paste that in here, and I'm gonna see if if I can just go ahead and make 3.14 my main Python 3, because I'm thinking that Python 3 probably already came installed on here, so 3.9 is like the default, so I'm gonna switch it up. But let me just see what Claude says. And I'm gonna add this to my path. And so it's basically saying if I'm on bash and not zsh, use this, like use bash dot, or bash underscore profile. So if you're using bash, you would change the source right here and right here. But I'm gonna keep that the same. I'm gonna copy it over. And now when I do which, it's going to Homebrew, showing my Homebrew file, and when I do Python 3 version, it's 3.14.7. It's perfect. So I'm on the latest LTS. And I'm going to see about changing the path order as well, just to see if everything is okay. So we'll follow, looks like we'll follow all these steps here. Paste that in there, copy this output, I'm going to paste it right here. Alright, so that's good. Everything's good. Checked it over with Claude. I don't have to do anything else. Now, let's go ahead and install UV. Alright, so now we're gonna do brew install. Here, I'll clear this. We'll do brew install UV. And again, this is the Python package manager. Alright, we'll check the version. We'll copy and paste that in there. And yeah, we should be good to go. UV should be installed, Python should be installed. Updated to the latest version. Here, let's try out some quick commands, test it out. So this is listing all the Python versions my UV can see and manage. Alright, and that's it. Yeah, I think I'll keep this all in one video, and yeah, watch the next one. Hope you enjoyed. This is how to install Python and UV. Like, share, subscribe.